All right, real quick, let me show you how I make pizza dough in this Zojirushi Breadmaker. The recipe that I'm gonna show you, which is inside of the cookbook that comes with the Breadmaker, it's gonna make 4 small pizzas, each being around maybe 11 inches, and it's actually a pretty simple process. So first things first, we're gonna begin with 300 milliliters of water, then 3 3/4 cups bread flour. I like to weigh mine, so it's about 488 grams. Then we've got 1.5 tablespoons of olive oil, 1.5 tablespoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of rapid rise yeast. Now you're supposed to place these in the pan in the order that's listed in the book, and I got mine a little bit mixed up, but I think the important thing to remember is just to do the rapid rise yeast last and not to let it touch any of the liquid. All right, so once we got all that in there, we can place our pan inside of the bread maker, close that up, then we'll head over here and we're gonna go to course 11, which is the dough course. And as you can see, once I press start, it's gonna let us know when it's done. Now, it does take a little bit of time and there are a few more steps, but I can assure you it's definitely worth it. Now, once the machine has gone through all of its cycles, we're gonna remove the dough from the pan and then we're gonna divide it into 4 equal balls. And once we got them all nice and round, we're gonna lay a cloth on top of it and we're gonna leave it on for around 10 to 15 minutes. The directions say 10, but I feel like 15 works a little better for me. All right, and once that time is up, then we can just simply start rolling it out. Now, it took me a little while to get a good technique of rolling this out because it can be a tiny bit difficult once you're just starting out, but I feel like I've definitely got the hang of it now. All right, so once those are done, we're gonna go ahead and poke them all with a fork, get out all of our ingredients, and start making pizza. So we go with 2 pizzas, red sauce, pepperoni, cheese, half olive, and the other 2, we put pesto, pepperoni, olives, cheese, sometimes maybe throw in a few jalapenos. But anyways, once you got those all made up, you're just gonna go ahead and pop them in the oven. We do 2 at a time, and it takes probably around 15 minutes for them to cook. Then you just gotta pop them out and enjoy them. As you can see, they look delicious, and obviously they taste really good. And just overall, it's just a fun little project. Typically our kids enjoy helping, and we've got 4 people in the house, 2 adults, 2 small kids, and this definitely feeds everybody until they're full, and we usually have leftovers too. All right, now if you have any fun, interesting toppings you like to put on your pizza or techniques that you want to share, definitely leave them in the comments. And if you're interested in picking up one of these bread makers, I'll leave an affiliate link down in the description.